All right. How do I start this? All kinds of hacks to make chicken tetrazzini. You can buy, no, I'll start again. There's all kinds of shortcuts out there to make a really great chicken tetrazzini. I have minced garlic, so it's not as kind of tart or tangent or hard. What's the word I'm looking for? So with all good recipes, no, I'll start again. So of course, you know, cooking can be something you do by yourself as a way to unwind and, you know, to have a little bit of peace in your kitchen with some fun and, you know, start again. So as our start, no, okay. So I've just got some vegetable oil here. We've got a hot pan. We're gonna get this started. We're gonna put a whole bunch of veggies in and stir fry them up. Not stir fry, you know what I mean, cook them up. That was stupid, I'm gonna do that again. Okay, add some butter, add some cream, mix it all up and then slop it on top of that meat mixture and put it right in the, I'm gonna do that again. Because we're fancy and it's a cooking show, we are going to pipe these, sorry. So everyone loves IKEA Swedish meatballs. The trick with cooking fish, pan searing, pan frying, okay. We've got our cream soaked milk pieces, no, Jesus, I can't talk, okay. Cold, fresh vegetables or fruits. Start again. And this is gonna be our dessert. Obviously, ice cream, things like that are fun, but fruit kebabs are great. You can run with them. Well, not the sharp end, but the kids can play with them. And I'm gonna do that all over again because that was stupid.